was the name. More than half the market locked up, nobody came close. Spending 10 times more on marketing, growth was the overdose. Podcasts, ads, and YouTube spots and promos everywhere. Hundreds of thousands on the books, but did they even care? Pull the retention curve and watch the customers bleed out. Most of them were gone by month 1. By month 6, there's no doubt. You're spending more to fill the bucket, but the bottom's gone. Pouring money into customers who never stick around long. Burn rate, growth at all costs. Burn rate, count the customers lost. CAC went from 63 to 100 overnight to 148, and now the math don't feel right. Burn rate, you can't outrun the churn. $1 billion IPO, watch it crash and burn. One retention rate can't fit the curve, the model's got it wrong. Overshoots then undershoots, the single segment's not that strong. Split the base in two and now you see who stays and who dies. More than half are low loyalty, gone before the second box arrives. The rest are loyal, sticking longer, but they can't absorb the weight of every low value customer who's bleeding through the gate. One segment's worth gold, the other one just drags it underground. Blend it all together and there's barely value to be found. You're spending more to fill the bucket, but the bottom's gone. Pouring money into customers who never stick around long. Burn rate, growth at all costs. Burn rate, count the customers lost. CAC went from 63 to 100 overnight to 148, and now the math don't feel right. Burn rate, you can't outrun the churn. $1 billion IPO, watch it crash and burn. IPO day 2017, they ring the bell. Target was 15 a share, but 10 was all they'd sell. Amazon drops the Whole Foods bomb, the dream starts falling apart. Blue Apron bleeds for months on end, stock craters from the start. Salzburg steps down, Dickerson takes the chair. Revenue per customer falling, paying more but nothing's there. HelloFresh is gaining ground, the competition's closing in. Paying more and getting less, you were never gonna win. Burn rate, growth at all costs. Burn rate, count the customers lost. CAC went from 63 to 100 overnight to 148, and now the math don't feel right. Burn rate, you can't outrun the churn. Stock fell 99% and every lesson burned. Beware, growth at all costs, the aggregate numbers lied, while the customer base was lost. Bottom up showed the truth that top down couldn't see. Same company, same data, different reality.